Hey, it's Brandon coming to you from Mills GM here in Baxter, Minnesota. Today we're looking at a 2018 Ford Escape Titanium. Beautiful red color. This stock number is 2B210031A. Traded in on a brand new Buick here in Mills GM. Super nice looking car. Only about 37,000 miles and change on it. As you can see down in the front here, you've got a nice premium shield. Helps, as you can see, keep all the rock chips and road debris from spackling up the paint. Front parking sensors as well. This is a 2.0 turbo EcoBoost engine, 4-wheel drive. Moving on to the side here, very clean interior as well. Blind spot monitoring on your mirrors, clean leather, powered seats on both sides. You do have the nice Sony sound system in here as well. Heated seats, remote start. You got the parking sensors front and the rear. Check out the second row here. Everything folds down nicely. You have your own chargers and your own heat vents and everything back here as well. Vehicle has not been smoked in. Again, this is your titanium. You do have the trailering package down below, dual exhaust tips there too. Plenty of cargo space back here as well. If you look, spare tire, you got a couple cubbies around there as well to stash things in too. Power liftgate, as you can tell as well. Moving on to the side, some more safety features. Like I mentioned, you got the parking sensors front and rear, blind spot monitoring. You do have distance-paced cruise control as well, Bluetooth, of course, and much more. Very nice, loaded up vehicle and super clean. If you want to check this out, do so soon. Give us a call here, Mills GM, 218-829-3504, or click some tires, millsgmcbaxter.com. Thanks for watching.